Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In this video, we are starting our complete Elementor Pro series for beginners. And today's topic is what is Elementor Pro? If you are new to WordPress or you have heard about Elementor but don't know what Elementor Pro really does, then this video is perfect place to start. Let's get into this. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why so many professionals use it and how it helps you build stunning websites without any coding. First, let's understand quickly Elementor. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. It allows you to design web pages visually, meaning you don't have to write a single line of code. You get a live preview of your design and you can simply drag elements like headings, images, buttons, forms, slides directly onto your page. What is Elementor Pro? Elementor Pro is the paid premium version of Elementor. While Elementor Free gives you the basic tools to design pages, Elementor Pro unlocks the complete power of Builder. It adds extra widgets, templates, theme builder, pop-up builder, WooCommerce builder, dynamic content, and tons of advanced features. In simple words, Elementor Pro create complete websites with full control. Why Elementor Pro is popular? Elementor Pro is used by freelancers, agencies, and business owners because it allows you to build professional websites quickly and visually. You can customize everything: the header, footer, blog layouts, product pages, pop-ups, everything. Key features of Elementor Pro. This is the most important part for beginners. Pro widgets. With Pro, you get 50 plus premium widgets that can replace 10 to 15 extra plugins. Some of them most useful ones include form widget, post widget, portfolio widget, price table, slides widget, nav menu, call to action, media cursor, testimonials, animated headlines. These widgets allow you to create modern, interactive, and professional websites. Theme builder. This is a total game changer. With Elementor Pro, you can design your entire WordPress theme, including header, footer, blog post layout, archive pages, 404 page, search results page. You no longer depend on your WordPress theme, you become the designer of your whole site. Pop-up builder. You can design beautiful pop-ups for collecting emails, showing offers, exit intent, login register forms, announcement bars, all with advanced triggers, conditions, and animations. WooCommerce Builder. If you want to build an e-commerce website, Elementor Pro lets you fully customize product pages, shop page, cart and checkout pages, product archive pages. Perfect for online store owners. Dynamic content. For more advanced users, Elementor Pro supports dynamic content from ACF, Metabox, pods, and more. This is great for real estate sites, job portals, listing websites, and databases. Templates and design resources. With Elementor Pro, you get hundreds of premium page templates, blog layouts, full website kits. These help you build websites faster with ready-made designs. Elementor Pro pricing. There are different pricing plans depending on how many websites you build. The lowest plan usually supports a single website, and advanced plans support agencies and freelancers. Who should use Elementor Pro? Elementor Pro is for beginners who want professional results, business owners, freelancers, agencies, e-commerce stores owners. If you want full control of your website design, Elementor Pro is absolutely worth it. And that's your complete beginner overview of Elementor Pro. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into templates, theme builder, form builder, pop-ups, WooCommerce, animations, and full website design using Elementor Pro. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos.